All right, let's do some eyebrows. I got this from Ulta. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's their Fluffy Brow Duo. It is a brand new eyebrow product and it's very cool looking, and that's why it caught my attention. So I've only ever seen brow pencils like this, like Asian Beauty, Korean Beauty, and it's freaking awesome. Like you're supposed to, look at that, it's like a little flat and you twist. It's like a little blade. How freaking cool is that? I hope it keeps it, I feel like it should keep its shape like that for the most part. So let's see how tiny we can get these strokes. I have ash brown. Hang on. Ash brown. So let's see. Let's just swatch this guy together. Ooh. Okay, you can get some skinny little lines there. That's pretty cool. Color looks good. It's a cool tone brown, which I need because I can't do anything that's too red or it'll look like I have little cuts in my eyebrows. So you're supposed to fill in the brow first and then you use the other side and the gel is supposed to fluff up. Ooh, I like that spoolie. You're supposed to fluff it up. Okay, I think I'm gonna like this. I say let's just go for it. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm curious about something, I usually do the gel and then I fill in the brow. I'm gonna follow directions on one brow and do the pencil first and then the brow gel, and then I'm gonna do it the other way that I normally do on my other brow and just see if, I don't know, I guess there's like a difference or something, I don't know. So it's cut this way so that we can mimic little, oh God, yes, little brow hairs. This is amazing. I can already see that it's amazing. So like this part's always like my little bald spot. You're just literally making little strokes and it mimics hair. I think we're gonna like this. Oh my gosh, this is really freaking cool. All right, this definitely gives the look of little brow hairs better than, I use the micro pencil from Morphe and it's got like a little ball tip. Because this is like a little line, it literally mimics brow hair. All right, so like here for example, I'm gonna take it. And you don't even have to push very hard. It's quite pigmented. There's a little slip to it, so it's definitely more of a waxy base, which I'm not mad at. Wow, you can really get a brow with this one. All right, hang on, because I'm doing my makeup like this for you guys because I'm filming, but when I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm like this, so give me a second. Really nice, holy moly. All right, let's try the brow gel part. It's a little goopy, so I'm just cleaning off. I probably should have showed you that. I'm just cleaning it off there. Oh. Every time I do that, it messes with the lighting. I'm sorry. I like the brow gel. I think it's nice. I think that the little spoolie for the brow gel is good too. The only thing that I'm seeing, hopefully I'm back in focus, is that once I added this, it moved the pencil a little bit. Can you guys see? It just took it down a little bit, like it almost mixed too much. So let me try the other side the way I normally do it, because it makes a little more sense to me to put the gel first and then fill in the brows, but we'll see. It could just be like it messes with the product. I don't know. But let me just try it this way. Because at this point I can kind of get my brows to a certain point and keep them in that way. But see, the brow gel is nice because it definitely fluffed up my eyebrow really good. I just don't know how it's mixing with this pencil. And again, it could be because the pencil's more waxy. It's definitely more waxy. Let's let that set for a little bit. I mean, in the meantime, let me see if I can just touch this up, because it could be something that you follow up. This is not necessarily a deal breaker. It's just more of like a learning curve. Yeah, it seems like because this is definitely more waxy and everything, it reapplies on top of the brow gel pretty good. Not bad, not bad. All right, use this one, try it. The brow gel, it's water, it's glycerin. Like, it's obviously a gel, but if it's too watery or whatever, I don't know. Let me see, okay. I guess what I'm trying to figure out is it gonna stay in place? Because it's more of like a watery base gel. Versus like when I use my Gotta Be brow gel, that one is like, it'll stay put. And then now as I'm kind of using it up, you can see the point getting a little bit soft. So maybe if I just want to see something. If I like kind of pull it back, will that make it not move as much? It's a waxy kind of base, so it's malleable, I guess. All right. I think I liked it better following the directions of putting the brow first and then putting the gel and then maybe touching it up, because by doing the brow gel first and then putting this on, it's very dark. So you still have time to move the gel around. It does not set quick like, again, my gut, like this one. This one sets pretty quick after like 60 seconds, let's say. This one's been done for a few minutes. I think I prefer when a brow gel kind of sets faster, because then I don't lose the shape as much. Definitely have an opinion on this brow pencil. Okay, now that I'm done. The brow gel, it's mediocre, it's okay. If you need time to kind of play around and move things, I think you're good. If you have sparse eyebrows like me and you kind of need something to set quick, it's okay. It's not a bad brow gel. Now the brow pencil, I think, is the star of the entire thing. The shape is very unique. You saw how I kind of like went like that. I can get these like nice sharp brows quick. I can mimic hair with these, with this kind of like, it looks like a blade or whatever, or the brow pencil. So I think that's really cool. I think it's different. I've never seen anything like that like here in the US. So overall, I think it's a pretty cool product. Definitely something I want to continue to play with. I like it. It's more waxy than your traditional pencil though, so just keep that in mind. So it's not a bad thing because you can still move it around and everything. So definitely a cool product, worth checking out. But if you're like hell-bent on finding like something that has a really good brow gel, I'm not crazy about the brow gel, but it's not a deal breaker for me. So definitely worth checking out. I think I'm gonna continue to play with this and keep it in the rotation. So that's my thoughts. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in my next one.